Morning, children. Today we are going to continue with our shapes. So, children, in last class we learned the different types of shapes, right? 5 different types. What are they? Can we see? Yes. First one, square. Second one, circle. Third one, rectangle. Fourth one, triangle. Fifth one, oval. So, first one, square. Square has 4 corners and 4 equal sides. Okay, square has 4 corners and it has 4 equal sides. For circle, there is no sides, no corner. For circle, there is no sides, no corners. For rectangle, there is 2 long sides and 2 short sides and 4 corners. Rectangle has 2 long sides, 2 short sides and 4 corners. For triangle, it has 3 corners and 3 sides. Oval has no corner, no sides. Okay, but it looks like a flattened circle. So what are the shapes? Which spelling can we write and see? First one, square. S Q U A R E, square. Yes, S Q U A R E, square. Next one, rectangle. R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. Next one, circle. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. And next, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Next, last one, oval. OVAL, oval. OVAL, oval. So, you all know the 5 shapes, right? So, last class we did some exercise. Can we continue with the next one? Take out your maths book. Yes, we are going to cross the odd one in the each set. Okay, I am going to do 2 sums, rest you are going to do. Okay, which is odd size here? This are equal size. This is bigger one, no? We will cross it. Okay, Odd one means which is not in the same size. That one you are going to cross it. Okay. Likewise, in this one, which is big here? All these three are big and this is small. So we are going to cross it. Okay. So like this, you do the other three sums. Okay, children? Yes. So can we do the next one? Color the shapes that are of the same size in each row. Okay, children, this is an activity for you. So, A, first one is there, right? This one you are going to see, and the same size one you are going to color. You can use any colors and you can color. Okay, see, this and this are same size. Okay, so you are going to color inside like this. Okay, will you all do it? Will you all do all the one and show it to me? Yes, I will do this one also. Okay, this one I am going to do. Which are in same size? 1, 2 and 3. So I am going to color these. You should not color outside. You have to color it inside very neatly. Okay? Will you all do it? Yes. First one, you are going to cross the odd one and this one you are going to color. Okay, children? Will you all do it? Yes. Next, children, this one is something different. Okay? Color the circle red for the things that slide. Okay? Just a second. You have to color red. For what? The things that slides. What is sliding? The things that slides. Okay. This is the surface. Okay. Something is like this. And I am keeping an eraser. This slides down. Okay. This goes like this. Right. This is sliding down. You will slide. Okay. You will play in the slide. Right. What will happen? If you sit like this, you will come down like this. This is called sliding. Okay. This is sliding. Okay. You are going to color red which slides. For example, eraser, pencil box, remote, it will slide. Okay. Like that you have to see in the pictures, and in this round it is there, no? If this slides down, you have to color red color. Okay, you have to give red color for the things that slides. Okay, next one, and blue for the things that slides and roll. Okay, see, this is a bottle, right? The bottle will roll like this. This will roll. Okay, this will come down. Also, it will roll and come. This will not only slide. This will roll. It will roll and come. Okay, for the things that will roll, you have to color red. Ball will roll. It will slide and roll. So you are going to give blue color. Like this, you are going to do for this page, and you are going to show me. Okay, children? Will you all do it? Yes. So, children, you are going to write the cross the odd one out, and you are going to color that are of same size, and you are going to check the sliding one and the rolling one and color red and blue. Once you finish, you can count with the colors and write how many things can slide. Okay, how will you count? For sliding, you have given red color, right? You count how many red colors you have given and write it in this box. For example, if it is 9, write 9. Okay. Next, how many things can slide and roll like this? How many things will slide and roll? You count the blue color and you write how much in this box. Okay, children, will you all do it? Very good. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed the lesson shapes. I will meet you in the next class with an exercise. Okay, children? Thank you. Sai Ram.